Look, women aren't that difficult. Almost all women love certain features in a man, and today I'm going to show you exactly those features and how you can deploy them. Number one, grow a light beard. Not a big one. You don't need a big lumberjack style beard. Keep it short and trim, which is a good thing if you can't grow a beard, because the shorter your beard is, the more dense it looks. So if you keep it a nice shadow, you look good. And scientifically, it has been proven that shadows, or those 5 o'clock, those low beards, are the most attractive for men, where you have that little bit of ruggedness, but you still look clean. That's what they want to see. And to grow it, it's easy. Bro, you can do derma roller. You can use minoxidil. You can use growth oils that are your natural route. There's so many ways that you can implement now to grow a beard that it's a non-excuse for no one. Number two, have broad shoulders. Look, this is proven scientifically by major institutions and proven by Jose Zuniga. Yo, I ran my own test. You watched it before.
I can use both hands.
Yeah. 1 to 10.
I give that a 9. I think he has a really good body. Like, he works out. Obviously.
I don't lie when I tell you this stuff. I look up for scientific fact, I then reaffirm it myself, and that's what I'm telling you. And when it comes to strong shoulders, you can do it 2 ways. One, go to the gym, right? Them shoulder presses, them Arnold presses, key. Let's put B-roll for both of those movements. But more importantly, what you're wearing as well is key. That is why we're dropping our new wife beaters, our new tank tops for essentials. Yo, look, you guys have been seeing me wear tank tops nonstop all summer, and now I'm still wearing them now in the fall. I freaking love them. I'm gonna be honest with you. You look jacked, bro. Without a shirt on, you look jacked, and with the shirt on, it just adds that little spice that if you were to take it off, you still look jacked. So you know, I had to make it better. And this one goes out to the pro members because it was their idea. I'm gonna be honest with you. The guys are G's in the Discord, so if you're a pro member, you should join the Discord. We have a private Discord where we're always discussing, bringing up ideas. And this collection is special because this one piece, it's all about the pro members, bro. And I wanted to bring a tank top that was better than anything I've ever tried. I used to use a lot of Hanes, but you know, they always would tear on me because they're super thin. So our tank tops, they're still ribbed, so you have that, but I made them thicker, so the premium cotton feels amazing. And as you can see, I also made the width of the shoulder a bit thicker just because I felt the Hanes were too thin, and sometimes they would like crumble up. So I wanted it a little bit thicker just so it looked more premium. So if you ever wore it without a shirt, you still looked high-end, like you had a luxury tank underneath. Well, we didn't stop there. Boys, we have 15 new pieces, and right now, pro members are already shopping, and I'm gonna be honest with you, they're wiping the store. They're wiping the store because between pro members and our guys that are part of our subscription outfit program, they all got access today. So if you're not one of them, I don't want you to be left out. What I want you to do is grab your phone, put a reminder for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. Tomorrow, boys, we're dropping our collection to everyone. We're opening up the store. So if I were you, I'd get there at 9:50. I would not waste any time. 15 new pieces are dropping. I'm talking about our new sling, tote bag, new hats, new seamless underwear, underwear without seams. Yo, I'm wearing it right now. My balls feel on cloud 9. Like we remade everything. New heavy knit sweaters, new cargo pants, new tech pants, new fitness. There's just so much. And I don't want you to miss it. So put a reminder on your phone, and don't forget, we're also doing a tiered discount system. So the more you buy, the more discount you get. Again, an idea from the pro members. Yo, pro members are basically running essentials now, and I kind of like it. If you guys want to check it out, don't forget, tomorrow we're dropping. Number 3, forearms. And this one's simple to explain. It's this sense of masculinity, this sense of strength that when you grab her, she feels safe and that she loves. So every time or anytime you can, you expose the forearm, and I promise you, it's one of those features that she'll always look at. This one's different though. Number 4, your hands. Now, I've told you time and time again, keep them tidy, right? Clip them up, make sure they're not dirty, make sure you got them lotioned up, they're not all ashy. And this is because women look at the small details. See, most of you think, oh, she's looking at my designer, she's looking. Nah, bro, she's looking at your hands and you're not even realizing it. It's just a sign of hygiene. And anytime you want to see true public opinion, go on TikTok. Go on TikTok. You know how many TikToks I've seen of girls saying that they melt over a guy with nice hands? I don't make this stuff up, bro. Number 5, quads. Nice thighs. You cannot walk around with chicken legs. It's just unacceptable. Why do you think 5-inch shorts are so popular? Not because men want to look at other men's legs. Women love seeing dudes with 5-inch shorts. They call them the hoochie shorts for a reason. Women love to see. Women love to see that you got tree trunks for legs. Which means the next time you're thinking, man, I'm going to skip leg day, don't. You know what I did? So before I used to do chest every Monday, right? Because Mondays sucked, they were a drag. I needed an uplifter, so I would do chest. This was like 3 years ago. About 3 years ago, I made a switch. Every Monday, I did it this morning, today's Monday, I started with leg day. I start my Mondays with the worst exercise possible, the most exhausting one, with the most weight I can possibly lift every Monday. I eat that frog every beginning of the week. Finally, takes us to number 6, a chiseled jawline. This one's simple. A chiseled jawline not only gives you structure to your face and balance, but also it's a sign of high testosterone. And that we know women can't resist. And the easiest way to get to this, reduce body fat. If you're already overweight, step on the scale. If your body fat is anything over 16, 18, you have excess body fat that you can get rid of. If you're over 18, I believe you start entering the overweight territory. And if you're over 24, now I believe you enter the obese territory. Meaning that if you're anywhere in that spectrum, you got some body fat to lose and some jawline to expose.